everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. Well, I guess it's officially springtime. It's stopped snowing for a couple of days and now we're on to heavy rains. And next stop is Easter. So we're gonna make a cocktail that helps celebrate Easter. If you really like it, hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate that. Let us know your comments. If you have any suggestions, any cocktails you'd like to see, please let us know. But let's get started with our Easter cocktail, the Cadbury Cream Martini. So let's start pouring. We're going to take 1 ounce of vanilla vodka. We are going to go with 1 ounce of sweetened condensed milk. Whatever you do, make sure you don't refrigerate it because it's a very thick, slow pour. Next, we are going to go with 1 ounce of cream to cacao, and we're going to use the white. You can get this in white and chocolate, but we don't want the brown color in there, so 1 ounce of the cream to cacao. And that helps rinse the cream out of there. Next on the list, 1 ice cube to shake. You use a big ice cube, that keeps your drink from diluting and still gets it nice and cold. One last thing, and that's the garnish. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a chilled martini glass, if you rim it with chocolate, and crush some malted Easter eggs in there. We're going to put a little bit of caramel sauce in the bottom of the glass. And then we give it a pour. It looks really good, but I said it was a Cadbury egg, so we're going to garnish with a Cadbury Easter egg. Oh, look at this smile.
That's sick. That's good. Thank you.
That's it, folks. It's sick. So, enjoy, subscribe, and thanks for joining us today.